Good afternoon, everyone. So, our topic for today is all about bibliography. Please, next. So, when we talk about bibliography, it's a list of sources or materials that you might have referred to while writing an article or a research paper. If the reader wants to explore more about the content apart from what you've written, they will refer to the sources that you mentioned in a bibliography can be helpful. So, this bibliography, guys, is very important because as a researcher or a reader, and you want to explore more about the topic or you want to know about the content, you will look for the bibliography because in a bibliography, the author or the author listed all the resources that she put or that she state there in her research or in her in her research paper or any article that she or he gain. Next, please. Wait lang. So, here are the example. So, let's not proceed for that bibliography format. So, I just want to give you an example. So, an example for searching bibliography when you're reading a fiction or novel about culture of let's say European country in 18th century. So, and as a reader or a researcher, you want to learn more about the topic. So what will you do? So here comes the importance of the bibliography because the author might have mentioned his research work from where he collected the information regarding the European culture. So he might cited all those previous work on the bibliography at the so he might cited all the information in the bibliography. So when we found the bibliography in the research in the end of the book or in the research paper. So with the help of bibliography, readers like you or us or any researcher, bibliography is very more important because they can explore more about the topic in bibliography if they say if they see the writing article or where he or she gained that information. Now let's proceed to the bibliography in one author in bibliography format in one author and one book. So in presenting a book with one author bibliography source, the format is as follow as the surname of the author, next with comma, then first name or full or initial, middle name initial, period, year published, period, title of the book, then it should be the title of the book will should be bold and italic. Then period, name of publisher, period, place of the publisher, period, then the inclusive pages, period. So then the second line and succeeding line are four spaces hanging indentation. So when you write the bibliography format, you should like for this example, if dili na gani siya, if dili na gani siya suited sa kanang line or dili na siya, so dapat mo kag in the four spaces, one, two, three, four before ka mo type or mo suwat sa next na kanang like ani. Calmorain is the sige first sa kanang format sa one author in a book. So, di ba, ang first kay ang surname. So, Calmorain, next with comma, then ihang full name, Laurentina, then initial, middle initial, P, dot, dayon the year published, 2010, then dot, then the title, di ba, sa title, it should be bold and italic. So, para, research and statistic with computer, that, then next is the place na siya. Ang next kay place better. So, ang place there kay Manila. Then, the name of the publisher, name asa niya gikuan, bookstore, ah, I am sorry. So, di ba, the title should be italic and bold, so research statistic with computer. The next is the name of the publisher, Bookster, then the place of publisher, Manila, that, then the inclusive pages, so 610 pages. Next, please. So, in writing bibliography, there are unscientific and scientific bibliography format. So, unscientific means that the resources that the author gain is not fully or truly kanang sakto. Like for example, Calmarine, her her surname next with her full name Laurentina next with the kanang the initial piece. That's as you can see, the year there is being in the year there is in close parentheses. So it means that the year there is not the the real year that being published because it is in close parentheses. So mo na siya. So kung ang year daw kay nasa close parentheses, it's not the real year. Next, please. So the place of publisher must be after the name of publisher, just like a letter address. So dapat daw ang place of publisher is ahead the name after the is ahead dapat daw ang the place of publisher is ahead the name of the publisher. So as you can see in writing a letter below is a correct format. So first, 'di ba, ang name Dr. Laurentina P. Calmorin, then the next kay ang place of publisher, the place of publisher National Bookstore, then lastly is I mean the next is the name of publisher, then lastly is the place of publisher. So in writing a bibliographer format in in a research paper, so it should be the same as writing a letter address. So it should be follow with the full name, then the name of the author, the next with the name of publisher, then the last one is the place of the publisher. So next, please. So let's proceed to also this is so these are the correct format of a bibliography in one author in one book. So diba, as you can see, the surname is the first one, Calmarine, comma, next with the full name, Laurentina, next with the middle initial, P, dot, then next with the year. So as you can see, it's not in a close parenthesis. So it means the year there is in it's a real year that being published. Then, sunod is Tuldok. Then, next with the title, Modern Mathematics for Elementary Pupil 6. Then, that's the right format because in, di ba, naman dito, it should be bold and italic. Then, next is the unsay name ana na book. So, it's a type or what a type of book. So, it's a type of a textbook. Then, name of publisher, the National Bookstore, then the place of the publisher, Manila, period, then the inclusive pages, 358 pages. Next, please. So let's proceed to bibliography in one author in a journal format. So, in presenting bibliography in a journal source materials with one author is sequence is as follows. So, surname of the author, comma, first name or initial, middle name initial, comma, period, year published, period, title of research or the article, period, then it should be an enclosed quotation mark. So, na siya yung mga quotation mark ang title. So, then, name of journal. So, bold and italic. So, period, then the volume, number is in close parentheses. So the number daw it should be in close parentheses. The next after that is ang next ana kay colon. So the inclusive pages, period, and month and year published in close parentheses, period. So muna siya. The second line succeeding lines are for spacing hangin, just like the first format. If dili na siya masud sa line, you should have spacing of 4 spaces hangin indentation. Next, please. So this is the example of a format for an bibliography format in a journal. So as you can see, the first is the surname Calmarine, comma, next with the full name Laurentina, middle name initial P dot, then the year published is 2000, then tuldok, then next with the title, my idea of a good teacher. So, di ba naman dito, it should be, an, we have a quotation mark. So, it should be also be bold and italic. Then the name or the type of the books, the modern teacher, then tuldok, then the volume 59, then the number, it should be in close parentheses. You can see the number 7 is in close parentheses. Then follow with the colon, then the exclusive pages 281 to 282 tuldok, then the month and year that being published. So in close parentheses, December 2000. Next, please. So this is another example for bibliography in a journal format. Let's see. Next, so let's proceed to bibliography in two authors in one book. So for two authors, book sources, materials, bibliography, so the sequence is as follow. So as you can see guys, parehara jud siya. Una ang surname, but when, di ba, two authors man siya, pero when you write in a second author, it should be the first is the first name full. Di ba, ang first kay in writing ako an author kay dapat maguna ang surname. But when the next author na ang makuan na dira kay ayahang first name or full or initial, then as follow na dayon tong mga parehara sa katong bibliography in one author. Nasabtan ra ang kalayan na dira kay katong kuan. Ang next na kuan kay first name, and so mo na siya mga example guys. So, di ba mo na siya. Then let's proceed to two authors and journal. So this format is the same as the first one with is the one author, but the 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 difference is kuan kanang na diri parehara gyapon, di ba? Ang the first na author kay nag-una gyapon ang surname, then with follow with the second author dapat mag-una iyang first name siyang co-author. Then mo na to same format ra gyapon. So these are the examples. Okay, next please. Please next. So that's all everyone. Thank you for your time.
So next is the bibliography, three authors book, and presenting book bibliography source with three authors. The sequence is as follows. The first is the surname of principal author, comma, tapos first name of or initial, middle name, initial period, comma. So next is middle name, initial period, surname, conjunction, and first name of third author, full or initial, middle name, initial, period, tapos surname, period, year of publication, period, title of the book, bold and italic. So dapat bold and italic, period, name of publisher, period, place of publisher, period, and its inclusive pages, period. Second and succeeding lines are four spaces hanging detention. Click to next. So, kani sunod, kay mo na siya ang illustration. Kani, Calmoren. So, sa three books di ay kailangan siya isuwat tanan kanang author, si Calmoren, si Helen. So, ang first, kay ang surname sa kaning siya principal author, Calmoren, Florentina P, tapos Tuldok, comma, Tapos first name na sa second author, Helen A. Malupay. Year of publication, 2012. Tapos Mathematics of Investment with Computer Application. Mo ni ang kanang iyang title. Tapos dapat siya bold and italic. Tapos ang asa nimo siya gi asa nimo siya publish. Tapos Senator Doc Manila. Tapos sunod ang iyang page. Next day. Next, play mode. The next na day.
Na next na day.
Dili mo pop up sa tuod eh. Dili lagi mo pop up na.
Murag lag, guro ko day. Balik na ako ah.
Sige ha. Kana day na, next na day. Go na day.
Yes, day mo na day.
So, murag murag na patoy usad day. Ato ganing journal. Na. Okay. Kanang ako ra isunod day.
Sige day.
Okay, so for a bibliography of journal source with 3 authors, the sequence is as follows. So first is the surname of a principal author, comma, first name, full or initial, middle, initial, period, comma, first name of second author, middle, initial, period, conjunction, and first name of third author, middle, initial, period, surname, period, was year of publication, period, title of research or article, period, and enclosed quotation marks, name of a journal, bold and italic, the volume, number enclosed in parentheses, colon, inclusive pages, period, and month and year of publication enclosed in parentheses, second and succeeding lines for four spaces hanging in detention. So, next time. So, ang next kay mo ni siya ang illustration. So, natay illustration 1 o illustration 2. So first is kani mo na siya si Sevel, kama Sonia V. Tapos same ra sila ani no, same ra ang illustration 1 ug illustration 2 pero lahi-lahi lang sila o kanang kuan. So lahi-lahi lang sila og author. So same ra gyapon sa kanang author sa book pero mas daghan ang kaning kuan, mas daghan ang kaning journal. So na siya kaning kuan, na siya kaning volume number enclosed in parenthesis colon inclusive pages period and month of year of publication no. So next day. So next is the bibliography for or more authors book. So kung upat or kanang daghan nga na sana daghan nga author kay mo na siya in presenting bibliography book source with 4 or more authors. The sequence is as follows. So first is the surname of principal author. So kung daghan gani kay dapat ang principal author ra nga name ang imo ibutang. Kani first name or full initial mo siya sa formation, comma, iyang surname formation, tapos Menda, first name, tapos J, kay iyang middle initial. So, sunod kay Tuldok, tapos et al, tapos period, tapos ang iyang year of publication, 2011, tapos title of the book, which is the Fundamentals of Biology, dapat siya bold and italic. Sunod kay the name of publisher, mo na siya Rex Bookstore, tapos place of the publisher, kaning Manila, and the inclusive pages, 292. Next day. So, bibliography. The next day. Bibliography for or more authors journal. So, kani siya journal ni. So, journal pa day ha. In presenting bibliography's journal source with 4 or more authors, the sequence is similar for 3 or more authors, journal source of materials, but only the principal author's name is mentioned and followed by a period and et al. That is similar with book bibliography of 4 or more authors. So, ang diri kay same ra daw siya sa kaning bibliography for or more authors nga ang name ra sa principal author ra ang ibutang. So kani Calmoren Melcher A et al. 2003 Hydrobiological and Fisheries Resource of Protected Area in Balubadyang Island and its approaches, NIPSC Fisheries Research Journal. Mo ni ang iyang kaning inclusive pages, tapos July to December 2003. Next is the bibliography. So by and large, bibliography is written in all capital letters and is placed at the middle heading, 5 single spaces above and 3 single spaces below of it of a page. So, kung mabuntang tao bibliography no, labi na sa atong research kay kana ibutang man na nato sa tunga. So mag-space tag kalima, space 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 ya butang dayon bibliography nga kuan kanang unsa na all capital letters, tapos ug mosuwat na sa ubos sa imong bibliography dapat na siya 5 ka tanang kuan enter nimo siya kalima gikan sa bibliography. Joke is a space nimo siya katulo. So next is the obsolete bibliography format. The author of this book has read several research papers, theses, and dissertations wherein listing of books, journals, articles, published and unpublished theses and dissertations are still listed separately. This kind of format has been obsolete for more than 50 years ago. So ang kani siyang obsolete bibliography format kay kanang wala na ni siya gigamit karon no, kay lahi naman ato pero mo na siya ang kanang ginagamit nato sa una sa mga author. So next kay appendix. An appendix is the second to the last section of a thesis proposal. For descriptive design, the appendix consists only of the research instrument, that is the questionnaire. If there are three or more appendices, they're subdivided by a letter. So, ang kinawian no kay ang curriculum vitae man, tapos second to the last kay ang appendix. So, mo ni siya ang questionnaire. So, next, kay mo na siya ang examples appendix A. So, that's all. Thank you.